Hi everybody. Today's topic integers. Already you know whole number and natural number. Natural number. What is meant by natural number? Set of 1, 2, 3 up to etc. This is uncountable number. That is natural number. Second one, whole number. This is doubly equal to natural number 1, 2, 3 up to etc. Whole number including with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is also uncountable number. Next one, integers. Integers. Whole number and negative of natural numbers together integers. What is meant by integers? Whole numbers and negative of natural number. Already in whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3. Here writing right hand side. Natural number 1, 2, 3. Here negative of natural number having, so minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Whole number and negative of natural numbers together is collection of integers. That equal to set of minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Right hand side fully positive integers, left hand side fully negative integers. Next topic, additive inverse. What is meant by additive inverse? You know opposite words. Less than, greater than, positive, negative, above, below. That like having additive inverse. The number that when added to the original number will result in a sum of 0. First one. The additive inverse 7. This one opposite word minus 7. Second one. The additive inverse 3 of minus 3. The additive inverse 8. The opposite minus 8. Here F additive that is The additive inverse 7 of minus 7. 7 of minus 7 equal to 0. Next one, the additive inverse 3 of minus 3. 3 of minus 3 equal to 0. The additive inverse 8 of minus 8 equal to 0. That is, if additive inverse added to, we get 0. Example, state the opposite of additive inverse already you know, that is opposite words. State the opposite of first one, 500 profit. This one opposite word, 500 loss. Three kilometer above sea level. This one opposite word, 3 kilometer below sea level. Five kilometer north. This one opposite word, 5 kilometer south. Next topic, absolute value. What is meant by absolute value? The distance a number is from 0 on the number line. For example, minus 5 is 5 units away from 0. A 0 having right hand side 5, left hand side minus 5. It is denoted by symbol this like modulus. This name modulus. Any negative number you write it, that result is positive only having. Okay. Minus 5. This one modulus in minus 5. This one 5. Any negative number you write it. That one positive number. Nine. Next one, 8 minus 9. 8 minus 9 minus 1 equal to 1 only. So 8 minus 9 equal to minus 1. This one minus 1, you take modulus, the answer is plus 1. Next one, 2 into 3 minus 3 into 4. You take modulus, 2 3 is 6. Here minus having, 3 4s are 12. 6 minus 12, 6. Here minus 6. So minus 5, we take it value plus 6. That is absolute value. Any negative number, you take modulus. This is like symbol modulus, that is positive number come. Hi everybody. Today this topic, representation of integers on a number line. Already you know integers. What is meant by integers? Whole number and the negative of natural number. Together that is collection of integers. Now, that is integers on number line. In center point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This fully right hand side. Next one write it left hand side. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Right hand side, left hand side. Right hand side fully positive integer. Left hand side fully negative integer. Now this one here, one point A. Right. This is increasing order. Next one, left hand side. This is decreasing order. Right hand side fully increasing order, left hand side fully decreasing order. This one point 0. This fully positive integers. This side negative integers. Now you know that is integers on a number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This fully increasing order. Next, this will left hand side -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 up to uncountable number. This fully decreasing order. This one point 0. Right hand side fully increasing order, that is positive integer. Left hand side fully decreasing order, negative integer. Here the smaller positive integer. Positive, this will is positive integer. Which one smallest number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to that is uncountable number. Last number you don't know. Smallest positive number is 1. The left hand side greatest negative integer. Which one? That's one 0 after -1, -2, -3. This fully decreasing order. So the greatest negative integer is -1. Okay. Next is 0. 0 is positive or negative. Positive integer or negative integer. 0 is 0 is neither positive nor negative. Next topic, ordering of integers. What is meant by ordering of integers? You know increasing order and decreasing order? Now, in a number line and integer to the right always ordering of integer in a number line. Already you know number line. An integer to the right of always greater than the integers to the left. Right hand side fully greatest number, left hand side fully lowest number. Example, zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 increasing order. Next -1, -2, -3, -4 is fully decreasing order. Here -3 less than minus 2. Minus 3 here having, minus 2 here having. Which one greatest number? So minus 2. 5 less than 6. Here 5. Next number 6 coming. 7, 8 up to going, that is increasing order. So 5 less than 6. Minus 3 less than minus 1. Here minus 3 having, here minus 1 having. This is greatest value, this is lowest value. So minus 3 less than minus 1.